Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to download your tax return on TurboTax. First, you'll have to open your browser, then search here for TurboTax like so, and here you will find the first option. Just click on it. After that, it will show you here this page. Now you'll have to log in into your account, and after logging in using your account, you will find here this home page. Now you will have to navigate to this panel or this option right here, products and billing. Once you enter this page, you will find here all of your history, but here because I'm in a tutorial and this email is newly formed, I do not have any history, but you will find your history just right here. Now you should click on request or track a refund down below right here. Then it will show you this page. Now you'll have to click on into it, and now you will have to choose the search by product TurboTax desktop, then enter your order number and the associated email, then click on find my order details. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.